Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get TradingView Premium. Upgrading to a premium subscription unlocks a world of advanced tools and a significantly enhanced trading experience. You will gain access to more indicators per chart, multiple chart layouts, and an entirely ad-free environment. This allows for deeper analysis and a smoother workflow, helping you make more informed trading decisions with greater efficiency and clarity. TradingView offers several premium tiers: Essential, Plus, and Premium. Each plan provides increasing levels of features, such as more indicators per chart, greater numbers of alerts, and enhanced data. Carefully review the benefits of each to match your trading needs. Often, choosing an annual subscription over a monthly one can provide a substantial discount, making your premium access more cost-effective in the long run. To subscribe, first visit the official TradingView website and locate the pricing or upgrade section. From there, you can easily compare the different premium plans side by side. Once you have chosen the plan that best suits you, proceed to select it and follow the prompts to complete your payment. TradingView accepts various payment methods, ensuring a secure and straightforward transaction to activate your new premium features. With your premium subscription active, take time to explore the full suite of advanced indicators, drawing tools, and multi-chart layouts now at your disposal. Experiment with different combinations to find what works best for your strategy. Utilize the enhanced alert system to stay informed about critical market changes without constantly monitoring your screen. By leveraging these powerful features, you can truly elevate your analysis. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.